now going to have a look at the pec major tendon, and we're going to start with the arm supinated and in neutral, resting on the patient's lap. We're then going to place our probe onto the front of the shoulder, and we're going to see that very clear bicipital groove with the biceps tendon in it. And you can see me just tilting the probe slightly at this point to keep that tendon bright and prove to myself I'm in the right place. We're then going to move the probe down the arm, again keeping that tendon bright so that you know exactly where you are, because as that starts to then become the muscle of the long head of biceps tendon, you'll see a hyperechoic structure over the top. At this point, if you just externally rotate the arm, you'll be able to tension up and see really clearly the insertion of the pectoralis major tendon onto the lateral lip of the intertubercular groove on the humerus. To prove to yourself that you're in the right location, if you continue down more distally, you'll see the muscle bellies then of the long head and short head of biceps start to appear underneath it. If we then track back up, we'll start to lose the tendon, but we'll regain that distinctive appearance of the long head of biceps tendon. So long head of biceps tendon, keeping it bright so you know exactly where it is, rolling down, coming onto that pec tendon just above the point where it starts to form into the musculotendinous junction, and then externally rotate, and you'll see that tendon clearly attaching there onto the lateral aspect